So, another commuting with Candace, and I want to talk to you today about the fact that I know there are so many entrepreneurs out there and small businesses who we are almost to the end of the year and you have done no bookkeeping. And this is something we really have a heart for you. We feel very passionate about serving you. And we know how hard it is if you've never had bookkeeping before. Maybe you've had bad bookkeeping and you just don't want to go through that bad experience again. And I just want to share with you kind of our process and how we do it and why it is that you could stop stressing about this. First place, I have so many people tell me they go to a bookkeeping firm or an accounting firm about this time of the year, really any time of the year, and it just seems like a really, really cumbersome process. And listen, it doesn't matter if you come to us or somebody else. We all know you can't run your business without bookkeeping. You can't do your taxes without bookkeeping. So you've got to get it done. And I just want you to know, like for us, we are all about first place being the no judgment zone and second place about simplify, simplify, simplify. So when you come to us, we don't need to see all of your receipts. We're not going to ask you a gazillion questions. Books are simpler than that. And some people try to really overcomplicate it. What we're going to do is take all of your business bank statements and credit card statements, upload them into a program. We've written a program where we can do this very quickly. We're going to have all of them organized into the different categories they need to be in: insurance and insurance, and fuel and fuel. And when you're buying supplies for your business, if you have product that you sell, it'll be cost of goods sold, your labor, all the different things, your telephone, utilities, rent. Very, very simple. We actually write our chart of accounts to match a tax return. So we're going to make it simple. We've been doing this for so long, for so many different companies across the country. We know how to use Google to look up the names of companies to see what category they might belong in. We try to make it so we end up with this teeny tiny list or no list at all of questions that we'll have for you. Of course, if you still write checks in your business, we might have those questions. If you're using Zelle or Venmo and you don't make a note when they ask you what it's for, if you don't put it, then we're going to have to answer those questions. But we make it really simple. What I really implore you to do is not wait till next year when it's really time to get your taxes done. Everybody's busy, accountants and CPAs and bookkeepers getting taxes ready. And now you need a whole year of the prior year done and put together. So we have some super affordable programs for you. And if you need to be cleaned up quick, we can also do that. So we would love it if you went to our website. If nothing else, we just have written some great articles out there for you on ways to save money in your business on taxes. And that is something, another thing we're super passionate about is saving you every dime that we can save you in taxes, but without creating any red flags with the IRS. So we'll hope you check out our website. If you know somebody who needs this, please pass this video along. And if you're ready to have a completely different experience with an accounting firm, then we are the right firm for you, because you're going to find us to be friendly and not judgmental. And we're really, really efficient and quick at what we do. So we look forward to talking to you.